Another method of solving systems of linear equations is called elimination. The idea behind elimination is to manipulate the equation in such a way that you will be able to eliminate one of the variables. The first step is to get both of your equations in standard form. And you can see in this case 2m equals negative 4n minus 4 is not in standard form. 3m plus 5n equals negative 3 is. So the first thing we're going to do is add 4n to both sides to get it in standard form, resulting in an equation of 2m plus 4n equals negative 4. Next, we want to get where one of the coefficients, either the m's or the n's, are opposite, so that when we add the two equations we eliminate one of the variables. What you look for is the least common multiple that is easiest to work with. If you look at our m's, we could go with 6 as the least common multiples. In the n's, we could go with 20. So we will choose to use the m's in this case and make both of the equations equal to 6 with opposite signs on the coefficient. So what I'm going to do is multiply the top equation times negative 3 and the bottom equation times a positive 2. And we will see what the result is. In this case, the result is negative 6m minus 12n equals 12. Do not forget to multiply both sides of the equation. Our other equation becomes 6m, notice the same coefficient, different sign, plus 10n is equal to negative 6. At this point, we can just add the two equations and see what happens. The negative 6m plus 6m cancels. We get negative 12n plus 10n gives us a negative 2n is equal to 12 minus 6, which is 6. Dividing both sides by negative 2, we get a result of n. That would be n is equal to negative 3. And from there, all we have to do is take our negative 3 and substitute it into either of the original equations. I will start over here. 2m, we'll use the top equation, is equal to negative 4 times the negative 3 that our n is equal to minus 4. Simplifying, we get 2m is equal to 12 minus 4. We get 2m is equal to 8. Divide by 2. And we get m is equal to 4. Our solution in coordinate form would be m comma n would be 4, negative 3. You should always substitute these numbers back into your original equations to make sure you have the correct answer.